Okay, guys, this is just a quick video to show you some of the count formulas that they will, or they might ask on the IGCSE test, okay? These are the only three ones that you have to worry about for the count formulas. Simple count formula here is this will count how many in the range have numbers. So let's do that. Okay, so let's imagine I want to count my range is here. It's everything that's in my column D. And I want to figure out what in column D actually has numbers in it. So right here in column G, sorry, in cell G6, I'm going to write equals count, open bracket, and then I'll select my value, my range of values, okay? And then I just hit close bracket and boom, 8. So there is actually 8 cells in this range that have numbers in them. And I'll just verify that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. I'll do the count if last because it's a little bit more complicated. Count A is kind of the opposite of the count. Count A will count the range of cells that aren't empty. Okay, so I will do that. I will do equals count A, open bracket, and I will select my range of cells, and I will close that bracket, and that's true. I've got 9 cells that aren't empty. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 9 cells that actually have information in them. Note one of the cells is a text value, not available, NA, but the rest do have numbers in them. Okay, so that's the difference. Count A will count a cell that has stuff in it, whether it's a number, whether it's text, whatever it is, and count will only count cells that have numbers in them. Okay, count if. Count if is kind of like an if statement, but using count. Okay, counts the number of cells based on a range. So let's imagine we're going to use this range here again, everything in column D. And I want to figure out which cells are less than 1. Okay, so I will write in there equals count if, if, open bracket. Once again, I will select my data. Okay, I will do a semicolon. Don't forget, sorry, I'm in my Mac right now, so I have to use semicolon. On the test, you guys will be in PCs, so you will use a comma. Okay, but Macs use semicolons. So that's my range, D2 to D11. And my criteria I have to put in quotation marks. Less than 1. Okay. Note, guys, whatever my criteria is, okay, the whole thing is in quotation marks. So because I want something that is less than 1 in this range, I have to put all of that in quotation marks. Okay. Say hint enter, count if. Yep. So I wanted to find out which cells have a value that is less than 1. And I can see here, yep, there's only one, which is 0. The rest all have a value that is greater than 1. I can also do it for text. So let's get rid of this. Let's imagine I just want to find the value in this column here for those cells that say guessed. So I will select my range. It's all the cells that I want. Once again, and in quotation marks, I will put guessed. Now, this is all in caps. I don't have to worry about putting in caps or smaller case. So I'll put that in there, close the bracket, hit yeep, and yep. So count if in this column here, I have the value of guessed. And as you can easily see, there's only one record in there that has guessed. So yep, that works. That's it, guys. That's all you really need to know for the count formulas. I will see you in class. Bye-bye.